Hello, this is the TradeSite U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Tuesday, the 30th of June, 2020. Welcome to the end of the month and the quarter end of the half-year mark for 2020. Doesn't really mean a lot. Let's take a look at the ES front-month futures contract. This is the daily chart of the broad market in futures form. Now, if you look at where we were April 1st and you look at where we are right now, bonuses are going to get paid after tomorrow's statements print for the quarter, so they want to hold it up. So let's talk about what that looked like today. Actually, let's go through the daily charts first, then we'll look at the intraday action. So crude oil down 25 cents, 39.45. Doesn't really matter. Gold up 30 cents. Remember, there's a 13 sell signal. We're still operating under there. S&P cash gains 44.19. Doesn't really matter. NASDAQ 100 up 111.8. The SOX up 21.98. Still not at all-time highs. The the biotech's down 15.47. Russell 2000 gains 42.42. The VIX loses $2.93. The trend closes at 0.43. That's a big dip on the trend. Puts the 10-day moving average around 1.10, depending on what you look at there. NASDAQ volume 4.3 billion shares. Light, so we're up in its light volume. Again, what I think is they're just trying to coast this into tomorrow's close, get their statements printed and get their bonuses. Plus 11.18 on the NASDAQ in terms of advanced decline. On the New York plus 15.16. Google gains $34.63, bouncing. Look at that, bouncing right off that static trend line. Nothing technical about that. Apple up $8.15. Netflix up $3.84. Amazon loses $12.49. Tesla up right to the risk line, up 49.61. Facebook gains 44.56 after just selling off hard the other day. Goldman Sachs gains 4.28. Not a good thing there. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, down 52 cents. The Dow was up 580. We don't really care about the Dow. Here's a look at the intraday action. So on the ES, we gapped up a little. We filled it quick. We went lower. We swept the lows of Friday. Came back up. What this feels like is that they were trying to save this for those month-end statement prints, which I said they would on the weekend preview. NASDAQ the same, gap down, went lower, and then, recovered back into the middle of Friday's range. So they're trying to save this, and just they don't want this to fall apart right now. That's fine. They're going to print their statements. That means what happens Wednesday. And here's the question. What does happen Wednesday? If nothing happens Wednesday, then we're off to the long weekend, right? Thursday, we're going to have minor action. Friday, we're closed. Something could happen Wednesday. And then, so is the action going to happen starting Wednesday or next Monday? We shall see. In terms of intraday action on Tuesday, we've got some data. We've got the S&P Housing Price Index at 9 a.m., Chicago PMI at 9:45, Consumer Confidence at 10, and a Fed Chair Powell testifying to Congress 12:30. A bunch of Fed members speaking. We'll talk about the rest of the week after this. We'll do a two-day preview tomorrow for the rest of the week as we wrap it up heading into 4th of July. The markets are closed Friday. Keep that in mind. Charts as usual brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken the trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading Tuesday.